Example number 4, given that the following triangles are similar, find the missing side length. So in this case, it says to solve this, you need to find a pair of corresponding sides to find the scale factor. So the missing side length here that they are asking for is this x. We need to find that out. So what we are going to do is we are going to set up proportions. So I always like to do big triangle on top, small triangle on the bottom, but whatever order you choose, you will get the same answer. So in this case, I'm going to have, I already highlighted it, 12 and the 3. So I'm going to put the big triangle on top, so I'm going to have 12. And then I'm going to divide it by the small triangle, and in this case, the number was 3. Now, I'm going to set it up so that it's equaling the other side. So I'm going to have, once again, I said I always do big over small. So over here, I'm going to have the 20 on top and the x on the bottom. So 20 over top of x. Now, this is when you start getting into cross multiplication. So I always keep my equal sign lined up. And then whatever one has my variable, I usually like to multiply this way first. So 12 times x is going to give you 12x. Now I keep my equal sign lined up like I said. And now I'm going to cross multiply the other way. So 3 times 20. And in your calculators, 3 times 20 gives you 60. Now the next step you have to do is we need to solve for x. And right here, right here, our x is multiplied by 12. So the opposite of multiply is, guess? You're right, divide. I heard you said divide. So now we are going to divide this side by 12. And if you do it on one side, what'd you say? Yep, you're right. Divide on the other side. Man, you guys are smart. So in this case, 12 divided by 12 gives you 1. So we're left with 1x. And then 60 divided by 12 gives you 5. So here's your final answer right here. And now, because it's a word problem, you have to end with a therefore statement. So it says, given that the following triangles are similar, find the missing side length. So therefore, the missing side length, I'm just going to call it SL, is 5 units long. All right, if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Bye.